So my name's Josh Dyer and I used to play darts in a local bar and I used to practice with the landlord and all the people there, and I was a part of the academy as well. Then they got me into marking the games and ended up giving me sponsorship for the PDC development tour and the Junior Darts Academy. Then as we were talking, I was interested in licensed hospitality and he offered me some part-time hours once I turned 18. That's where it all started really. It was the BII licensing operations to get head around all the laws, the responsibilities and all the manual work as well. Some employers, Mike, and he's in Q's Bar in Towyn, and he's had previous staff that they've done the same sort of schemes doing this course, and that's where I've heard of it and jumped on it. The best I enjoyed the most was learning the laws and responsibilities. As well as that, it's all the locking up, cashing up and doing all the hands-on stuff such as the line queen and cellar management. So my assessor John, he supported me through it all, and it's more the laws and responsibilities that I've a bit more clued up on now since starting this course. Then he went through all the line queen and all that with me, so yeah, he's taught me a lot. It's benefited me because it gives me the ability to run a bar, cellar maintenance, and yeah, it's given me that knowledge and the ability and the confidence to do that in the future. I'd encourage them to start an apprenticeship because it teaches you to challenge yourself and push yourself and just do new things and get the qualifications.